change.
I hate your beard.
Wow. Well, you had that bolt in the chamber.
I never said anything because I never wanted to hurt you.
Let's go with door number 2.
Well picked, Castor. You've entered a secret chamber. You're standing in the middle of a circle composed of griffin bones. 2 chalices. This job.
What is?
The sisters take patients into the Gargoyle King's chamber when they misbehave. The other girls are scared of him, but I'm not.
Where's his chamber?
You're not?
I wish, but I heard from, well, eavesdropping. Evelyn called a closed rehearsal for select cast members in the Gargoyle chamber. Can I borrow your camera?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word chamber. It means a room, usually private, in a house or apartment, especially a bedroom. She retired to her chamber. Also means a room in a palace or official residence. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce chamber, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to shime. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how chamber is used in real life.
The sisters take patients into the Gargoyle King's chamber when they misbehave. You've entered a secret chamber. You're standing in the...
Well, eavesdropping. Evelyn called a closed rehearsal for select...
Wow. Well, you had that bolt in the chamber.
Use that little secret to get where you are right now. It was the...
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.